Hello again, it's me Jeanette with another review, and today I'm doing another construction vehicle. This one appears to be the dump truck by Mega Machines, so this is what it looks like. And then the little thing dumps, or I thought it did. Oh no, the whole thing, this code's open. Okay, so the back comes open. It doesn't actually, let's see. It looks like it would rise up, but it doesn't. Okay. So then there's a button on the front. Let's push it. Okay. And this one seems like it has a little bit of friction to it. Let me see if I can get it to go across the floor a little bit. And there we go. Okay. That's pretty cool. Okay, so if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you have not already, please subscribe for more of my reviews, and I will see you later. Goodbye.